So, yes, Ron and I are big coffee drinkers, and sometimes coffee gets everywhere, but little pine sol and water goes a long ways in getting it cleaned up. So I am spraying the front of my refrigerator with some Pine Sol and water mixture that I just put in an old spray bottle that I had. I do want to say, to have a very clean home, you don't have to spend a lot of money on cleaning products to clean with. If you only have white vinegar, you can mix it with water. Baking soda works really good. Dawn dish detergent works wonders. So you don't have to spend a lot of money on these expensive products to have a clean home. So now I'm going to tidy up my shopping bags because I'm going to need those, and then I'm going to start sweeping the floor. Again, sprucing with Pine Sol and water, just hitting the surfaces a little bit, just the main ones here in the living room where we sit the most and put our coffee there the most. You know the drill. But everything kind of gets a good wipe down. And Pine Sol, I can't rave enough about it because it just, when I can smell it, I know that it's getting it clean. And I love the Pine Sol original scent and just love the way it smells. So I'm finishing off the sweeping here. I noticed that there was a few more crumbs there in front. And then I'm going to start on my staircase. Now, I think I mentioned in a previous video how much I hate doing this job. But since I got my new vacuum cleaner, it is so easy to run the sweeper up the stairs that I actually do not mind this task any longer. So while I am cleaning, I'm just going to put some supper on. We're just going to do it super simple tonight. We're going to have some Johnsonville hot Italian sausage. I'm going to mix in some some peppers and onions. We're going to just have these with mustard. Easy dinner. My husband had some pork rinds with it, and it was delicious. Now, I'm going to show you here, I have been making this drink now for a little while. And so it starts with some ice, my water, a little lemon juice, and then the secret ingredient is just a pinch of Himalayan salt. I have been reading really great things about this combination, and I have felt really good since I started drinking that. I drink 2 40-ounce cups of that every single day. I will keep you posted on how long, is this going to last for me and if I notice any difference. I am a leg cramp sufferer and foot cramp sufferer, and the Himalayan salt is supposed to have a lot of magnesium and minerals that we don't typically get every day, and it is supposed to make a world of difference. And so far, I really have felt really good since I started drinking this every single day. So I just gave my bratwurst a flip. I'm going to continue to clean. I cannot say enough about my hardwood floor scrubber. You guys have heard me talk about it a million times over. It works wonders, and at the end of this video, you will see how much dirt it actually pulls out of my floor. If it is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. I'm laughing at this here scene. Can you see 3 clocks? I keep telling my mom I'm going to take 1 down because I think 3 might just be a little, reaching. But anyhow, I love my clocks. And I am going to finish up the floor. You all are going to see all the dirt it pulls up. I hope you all are feeling motivated. Have a fabulous week. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you part of Heidi's home. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be catching you next time. Bye, guys.